Hello everyone, welcome to Canning Coffee. Here we have a Rocket r58 espresso machine. Now this machine was broken because it was using a lot of water and the group head was not having enough pressure the way it was. So it was losing a lot of water because the vacuum release valve as well as the safety boiler valve was not creating a good seal inside the boiler, and the boiler, because the water was evaporating inside the boiler, it was continuously filling the boiler with cold water, so that's why you needed more water instead. So we replaced these two, and now the machine is providing a good seal, so it's no longer going to take that much water as it used to. And the other issue that it was brought here, it was because the group head was not actually providing good pressure to the portafilter, and we ended up overhauling the whole group head because it was really bad, let's say. So as you can see over here is a picture of the immersion valve, and it's completely full of scale, and as well as and this part over here of the A61 group head, and it was really bad. So we ended up cleaning the whole thing, making sure there's no scale build up, and making sure that all the pieces are working properly. We replaced all these little pieces that you see here. These are from the A61 group head, so we made sure everything's working nice and the way it's supposed to. So we're gonna start testing the machine, starting with 1 espresso. I'm gonna warm up the cup and clean it up a little bit. And as you can see, we just pretty much remove the whole pressure from the boiler. So we're gonna wait up a little bit so we have good pressure back once again. Perfect, we're almost at the pressure, and because it's a dual boiler, we can just do the shot right now. And as you can see, we have a good water flow coming out of that portafilter. Good color coming in there. We might need a little bit more of a finer grind, or we could just potentially use a little bit more coffee to have a perfect crema and a good espresso. Yeah, the grind might need to be a little bit more finer for this machine. But there you have it, good cup of espresso, and steamer working perfectly fine, as well as the make a mess, as well as the hot water. So thank you for preparing Canning Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.